Even with places offering freebies for shots, the average amount of daily doses administered in Wisconsin is now the lowest it's been in 4 months.
As Milwaukee County starts to move away from mass vaccination sites, Ben Jordan goes in depth to explain how the city hopes to tackle hesitancy and barriers to getting more people vaccinated.
With the Wisconsin Center closing tomorrow, Milwaukee leaders say they're completely shifting their approach to try to convince those who are hesitant to do so by bringing vaccination clinics right to their neighborhoods. But vaccination numbers at community sites like MPS schools show that approach could still be a tough sell.
I'm still a bit skeptical about it, so I'm not sure if I really want to do it.
Minyata Willis-Smith says she's thought long and hard about getting vaccinated, but she's hesitant after hearing about the side effects.
As far as like vomiting or body aches and stuff like that, I'm a bit terrified of that, and I don't think I want to deal with all of that. 5
Milwaukee public schools have opened their doors as community vaccine clinics, but nearly 2 weeks in, the health department says just 309 people have shown up as of Wednesday. North Division High School is averaging only about 5 doses administered each day. Mayor Tom Barrett says he isn't discouraged by the low turnout.
We are not measuring the victories by 1,000 per day. It's dozens or tens where we're saying, okay, we've made this progress.
Wisconsin is now averaging fewer than 19,000 doses administered each day. That's the lowest it's been since January. Mayor Barrett acknowledges people who are eager to get vaccinated have likely already done so, and now the challenge is convincing those who remain weary. He says the Milwaukee Health Department is preparing to bring pop-up clinics to just about every neighborhood in the city so no barriers stand in the way of getting people on board. Kentrell Willis says he was nervous about getting vaccinated, but after building up the courage, he says there was nothing to be afraid of.
At first I was scared because of all the other people who had side effects to it. But then when I got mine and I found out that nothing happened, I was like, okay, more people should get this.
Health leaders are calling on all of those who are vaccinated to share their experience and reason for getting the shot with their friends, family, and coworkers to spread the message.
Honestly, I'd have to say someone who took it before would have to go with me and try to convince me to get it, and I might get it.
Kentrell says he plans to do just that with Minyata.
We're going to go get that shot.
Definitely.
Definitely.
Okay.
We just got to schedule it, though.
I'll consider it.
38% of Milwaukee County residents have received their series of shots. That's just a few percentage points lower than the state as a whole. Reporting on Milwaukee's north side, Ben Jordan, TMJ4 News.